Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks. On Tuesday, it is December the 10th. We are breaking Gold Rush Multi-Sport jerseys. It's a 2-box break from a fresh case we just started tonight. We numbered up our 6 boxes, random those numbers up. We got 2 and 3. We did pick a name, get 4 by a random. On the left, we've already randomized the extra names and customers. Alphabetized everybody, gave them a couple minutes to trade. Nobody accepted any offers here, so we are going to pop. Alright guys, pop of your seal. Let's see what we gonna get in our first box. Bam. I have no clue, guys. Bam, wow, well, Darius Slay Jr., guys. I pulled the shit out of them in photos. Haven't really pulled too many jerseys of them lately. Not a monster for us there, guys, but the cases overall have treated us really well. I hate these fucking young kid SIGs with the bullshit friggin' initials, man. It kills me more and more. Well, not off to a rousing start in this one, guys, but hopefully our luck will change soon. In the next box for us there, Beckett, Witness, Hologram honor, folks. Who the hell hit that? BM. Yep, gotta be BM on that one. Thank you guys for calling that out. BM, gonna take that one. Alright guys, box number 2. Said our cases have been very strong, so I'm hoping we got a nice one here for you. Pop of your seal. Alright guys, bam. Well, not a bad way to start off the case there, folks. Yeah, we got the Slade, but we also got the alphabet, guys. Looks like some kind of weird jersey. His name looks like it's on the bottom. JSA, sticker, and a card, but what the hell? Boy, I don't know. That's a little weird. I don't know if I like that or not. Oh, it's probably because his fucking name wouldn't fit on the top. Look at the size of the name compared to the top, guys. That's why that's like that, for sure. Because his fucking name wouldn't fit on the top. Yeah, if you look, it's actually wider than the sleeves are there, so that's why that's like that, but that's a little odd. Well, like I said, guys, these cases have not treated us bad, man. You know, overall, like I said, that's a little odd jersey there, man, but crap, hang on, I dropped that damn card. Ah, there we go. Oh, Bob, nobody's been picking them, man. Well, there you go, Joey. It sort of broke your streak there. Not a bad hit for you. Joey gonna one-slap that sumbitch. Alright, guys, call out your keep. That's gonna ramp up that 2-boxer. We're gonna move on to the next one. Call out your keeps if you want to keep your your pick name, guys. Join us at Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, guys. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.